We need to first understand that gas in the atmosphere is different from air in our alveoli. This is because when we take in air, we humidify it with the fluids present in our respiratory passages. This fluid dilutes any gas in the atmospheric air, thus filtering it in some way. This system is not perfect though, and some amount of nitrogen and oxygen goes through and slowly replaces the air residing in the lungs. Once it reaches the alveoli, the exchange of gases can officially start. This is accomplished through the process of diffusion, or the movement of molecules from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure. Why this is the case is simple. If a set of wheels have less obstacles in the way, what's stopping it from reaching the bottom of the slope? A buildup of pressure means that oxygen has to be moved somewhere, particularly an area where there is less force to resist it from coming there. In this case, the areas of concern are the inner alveolar area and the pressure in our blood. These two spaces are separated by the thin wall of our alveoli known as the respiratory membrane, which make it just enough for some oxygen and carbon dioxide to seep through if given enough pressure. This pressure is dictated by numerous factors. One is in the concentration of molecules in each of the areas. A higher concentration would proportionally equal to higher pressure. Another is molecular movement. When molecules in a given area moves, more pressure is created. Gas exchange is also being regulated by the amount of respiratory units present, which is a joint structure composed of your alveoli sacs, alveoli ducts, atria, and bronchioles, and the amount of oxygen taken in by the lungs. If you have fewer alveoli present in your body, there wouldn't be enough places for oxygen to be exchanged, and more oxygen just means that there is less carbon dioxide to compensate for the growing surplus of O2 in your lungs.